Okay guys, you need to know parts of a circle for the quiz today, so let's talk up through those different parts of a circle. Okay, so let's go through the different parts of a circle. CB, this line here, is called a chord, C-H-O-R-D. So that is a chord. Then we have three different radius here. EA is a radius, EF is a radius, and DE is a radius. So all those little three middle to side, those are all called radius. Then we have the diameter. The diameter is the total length across. So from D to A is a diameter. And then the last one, this letter E, is the center. Those are the four parts that you're going to need to know today: diameter, radius, center, and chord. Okay, the next couple questions on the quiz have to do with diameter and radius. Remember, diameter is the full length across and radius is just from center to the outside. So let's say that they give you the diameter as diameter's 50, okay, and they want to know what's the radius. So if the diameter is 50, what's the radius? Well, radius would equal the diameter divided by 2. And in this case, the diameter is 50 divided by 2. So if the diameter is 50, the radius would be 25, half of it. Now let's say that they told you that the radius is 4 and they want to know the diameter. So diameter equals 2 times the radius. So diameter will equal 2 times 4. So the diameter in that case would be 8. Okay, there's two questions asking you to calculate circumference. One of them it's going to give you a radius for, and one of them it's going to give a diameter. So let's work out both of those. Let's say the radius is 10 for one of the questions, and the diameter is 15 for another one. If they give you a radius, you have to use this formula here because it's the one that has radius in it. So circumference would equal 2 times pi times the number that was given to you for radius, which in this case is 10. So you would just type that into your calculator, 2 times pi times 10, and the circumference is 62.83. Now in the second one, they give you a diameter instead. So you have to use this formula because that has the diameter in it. So circumference equals pi times the number given for diameter, which in this case is 15. Pi times 15 is 47.12. There'll be one of each type of those problems. If you can't remember that during the quiz, go back, look at this video again. You can literally just copy it and change the numbers. Okay, the last couple questions on the quiz are about area. So you're either going to get a radius given to you or a diameter given to you for this one. So let's say in the first one that the radius is 15. And in the other one, the diameter is 20. So those are going to be two separate questions. So since it's a radius, you're going to use this formula here. And you're going to do area equals pi times the radius, which is 15 squared. So pi times 15 squared is 706.85. In the second question, you have a diameter of 20, so you need to use this formula. Remember, in the formulas I gave you, this one was a quarter. We're putting 0.25 into our calculator because it just makes it simpler. So you're going to do area equals 0.25 times pi times the diameter given, which is 20, squared, and that is 314.15. And I'll go ahead after this and take the quiz. If you have any troubles, come back and listen to this again.